Hey guys, so if you have the Ninja Blender and looking for a way how to fix it because you have the red light, this is something I found. So someone wrote here is that on manual the unit isn't installed properly. So this is the error. There are two things that you can try to do. Just start with unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, or plugging it back, like making a cycle, and to see if it's fixed itself. Then just try dump everything that you have in a blender out. And if there is like going to be a jammed something's like jammed there, and primarily you just want to look if you got the blender in your right like there. So this is the thing, can be like issue with it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.